Big kick to Taylor. Big kick to Taylor. Big one. Raise your hat, Taylor.
Stop the ball right there. Yeah, you're fine. You're doing great, Avika. That's right. Move up, Olivia. Move up. Move all the way up. No, not past the last person. Avika, come back. Now, okay, now you can go forward.
Shoot. Oh, nice try. Go, 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 go. Oh.
Avika.
Good pressure, Sia.
Avika, you're actually right defense, remember? You can be up, just if you're going to be up in front of everyone, you're going to have to run all the way back on defense, okay?
Guys, get open.
Where's Catherine?
Can I go?
Georgia.
Teal, throw in. Would you move back from the line just a little bit more, please? Just a few feet.
Oh, he was talking to the other guy. You're okay. You're in the coach box.
Teal, throw in. No, I kind of want all those sticks and stuff in case a player comes off the field, you know, chasing the ball. I don't want them to get that. At halftime, maybe we'll set up corner flags. That'd be good. Pass! 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 Good defense.
Offside. I knew it.
Get it, girls.
Go to the ball! Go to the ball!
Come to you, April.
Tanisha, go to the ball!
April, make her come to you. Don't just give it away. Let it out, let it out, let it out. Haley, right here. Haley, right here. Go to Haley, go to Haley, go to Haley. Quick, 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 quick. Haley, Haley, Haley! Work her, Haley.
Go, pressure, pressure, Olivia, pressure.
There you go, work her, Haley, go, go. Make her work. Come on. Keep going, keep going. Get in there, Taylor. April, don't.
Go, Jasmina!
Defense. Good
Go,
job.
Jasmina! Stay on it! You got Tanisha behind you.
You got her?
Good pressure, Green.
Nice job. Nice, Jasmina. You got it, Catherine. You got it. Go, go, go together. Go together. Go together. Go together. Go together.
Go, spread apart, spread apart. Kumi, to your right.
Pressure, Kritika.
Go, Kumi, work her right there. She's right there. Give her a move, give her a move. Oh, oh, one more time. Oh.
Nice, Olivia. Well done, Olivia.
There you go.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Get ready. Get ready. Go, Evika. Pressure her. Go for the ball.
Go, go, go! Go!
Good job, defense. Just go get it. Go get it.
There you go. Go, go, go!
Janae, go for the ball.
Oh! April, get open! April, get open!
Nice idea. Go, Jasmina, go. Go, Yumna, go. Yumna, go, Yumna. Pressure. Pressure. Good.
Go, pass to Taylor! Go, Taylor! Work it! Go, Amelia! Wait for him to come to you, Harry. Don't give it away. Don't give it away. Right there, Zoe. Right there. Big kick.
Go. Go, go, go. Yumna, go. Go together.
Go get her, Zoe. Go get her, Zoe. Make her work, Zoe.
Oh, nice.
Sure.
Tanisha, come left. Go left.
Harry, come here. Run it out. Run it out. Drop kick. Drop kick. Go. Go, baby. Hurry up. Don't wait. Drop kick.
Yeah.
All the way out. All the way out.
Sure. You want to play forward, forward? Okay. You got to stay forward then, okay? You see how Tanisha was on the left and she was able to get that because she was in position?
Go, go.
Where's Lauren?
To your right. Go, Kumi.
Where's my defense?
Pass that. That's an automatic score.
Go to the ball, Green. Don't let them kick. Good job, defense. Nice throw.
That's the throw that you teach them.
Yeah.
She's so very far. She was catching.
It would have to be all the big line. If she was
Shoot, shoot.
Coach, it'd have to be the big line. If you want to throw it, if she's throwing it, she can go all the way out to that big line, not the small box.
Do I have to come here?
Huh?
Because it's going to go up next. Oh,
We're gonna have halftime in a minute.
that was something. I'm so full of water.
Are you really?
Yeah, I drink some Gatorade, water, Gatorade, water. Yeah.
So that's what I taught you, is that throw, yeah?
So. And then, do you teach us another throw too?
What's that?
Did you teach us another throw?
See if you can get Lauren to come over here. I did. There's an overhand throw. But if you can use your whole arm, you get a lot more speed than if you push it. If you push it, you can't get very much strength. Exactly.
It's hard with the ball may, Coach Eric, the ball maybe will go like
Yeah, it can.
and my fault is, but that's by accident. It's still a goal.
If the keeper should first of all be outside the goal. Secondly, the keeper can run all the way up to that big line and throw it. So they're not restricted to that tiny little box.
Wait, is goalie fun or playing?
What's that?
Is it playing fun or goalie fun?
I'm sorry?
Like, is it goalie easy or play like in the game running?
I'm sorry.
I said, is it goalie easy or the players easy?
Is it easier to be a keeper or easier to be a player?
Yeah.
It's different skill sets, so it just depends on what your skill
I'm
sets
bad
are.
at goalie.
Well, we haven't really trained you as keeper, so we don't know if you're good or bad yet.
I'm the goalie keeper.
You mean you're not good yet? So maybe you'll be a keeper one day if we train you.
What is this?
It's a keychain and there's garbage garbage bags inside.
That's you, Zoe.
Why? Why do you have
Like
garbage?
Zoe. There you go, Zoe.
In case there's garbage to be collected.
Yeah, that's just gross. I like the bullshit. Wait, do you have bags in there, right?
There's bags in there, yeah.
Don't lift your leg, don't lift your leg. That was
I'll show you, look.
okay. Here, look, this. Is that hard to close it?
Harder than it should be.
For juicy. Things like something wrong with it.
Thanks.
That was pretty easy.
Oh, I'm glad it was easy.
I'm good at fixing stuff.
Yeah?
Sometimes my mom's like, something.
Go, short.
That's 8.
Clear, green.
Go get him, Ilya!
Go for the ball! Go for the ball!
Kumi to the left!
Good job.
Ariana, you gotta look for Kumi. Especially if
throw.
you're tired, you gotta let go of that ball. Big kick, big kick!
Nice throw.
Girls, Haley, how about?
Stay on it.
Good job, Ilya.
Guys, get open!
You're doing great, Sia. Keep it up.
Raise your hand.
Keep it up. Tanisha, you're doing great. Keep it up. Jasmine, keep it up.
Go quick.
Go to it. Avika, move up. Avika, after you kick the ball, you have to keep going after it. Do not stop and watch. Kick it and move. Kick and move. Olivia, you can go up a little bit. It's okay. Janae, if the last attacker if they pass the last defender, you have to go for the ball right away, okay? Do not wait. Go for the ball as soon as they pass the last defender.
Go to the ball. Green, go to the ball. Good job, defense.